bushmeat, roasted beef. This is offor, yellow pepper. I like using yellow pepper for my soups. This is offor. I'm not using ede or cocoyam as a thickener. I'm going to be using offor. This is offor. You can imagine this one goes everything. Allow to boil. Now I want to block my offor leaf. Since on Sunday that we bought this offor, I put it in the fridge. That's why it's looking like this, as if it's sleeping. So I want to block it and then wash, slice, waiting for the time to reach to put in the pot, drying. To remove all the sands. Wow. Look at this. So it's time to put in it's time to put blended crayfish, pepper. Put our blended crayfish. This is our blended crayfish and pepper. We put it. Stir. Then we put our fermented melon. So after putting the fermented melon, you test for salt. You test for salt so that you don't put salt too much. And then put your green baking or seasoning cube. This is our offor soup. So it's time to put the Caesar leaf. Washed it already, slice it, waiting for the time. So this is our Caesar leaf. The soup is getting ready. It's time to put our offor leaf. There's one thing about this offor leaf. So many people believe that if you cut it, it will be bitter. And some say you use your hand to cut instead of knife.